voices amplified. Earground.
Segur. Titireongan.
Once upon a time, a long time ago, in the 21st century, there was Mbira Dze Hip Hop. Ngano. Oh well.
Greetings. Thank you so much for tuning in and welcome to Earground New Voices Amplified. My name is Hop.Neville. This time I have different guests that I'm speaking to, creating music in different spaces. And today I have an artist is creating music, urban music, hip hop music, but music that is connected to his roots. We're going to find more about what he's working on. But to start off with, Neville Sigauke, welcome to Earground.
Yeah. This is Neville Sigauke, aka Mbira Dze Hip Hop, aka Changamire. You know what it is, man. Yes, coming straight from Durban, South Africa. Yeah.
Oh, eThekwini.
Yeah, eThekwini, yeah.
Nice one. So maybe to
Yeah.
just start off with, a lot of people would want to know who's Neville Sigauke before we get to the Mbira Dze Hip Hop.
Yeah. Neville Sigauke is a recording artist, a producer, a Mbira. Yeah. Basically, I multitasking through your talents, you see. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And your background in music, you started off as a Mbira player and then you got into hip hop. You started off as a hip hop, or you did both?
No, my background in music, I started off as a hip hop artist, I can say, yeah. Because I still remember back in 2012, I was with my friend. We started writing some lyrics. And I started off as a rapper, not really as a traditional guy, Yeah, I was fascinated by these, mainstream artists. So, yeah.
Great.
And then I started finding myself as time went on, That's when I started really digging in to my roots, because I grew up in a traditional family.
Great. Let's talk about those roots. What kind of music were you listening to as a kid? What influenced your musical interest?
As ana Thomas Mapfumo, ana Oliver Mtukudzi, ana Chiwoniso, ana Alec Macheso, you see. So yeah, my dad used to buy CDs, like whenever they released, my dad used to buy those CDs and stuff, and yeah, he used to play them a lot. So that's where I got the influence from.
Great. And Pineapple, was that your first project?
No, my first project, I can say my first project, like Mbira Dze Hip Hop project, was back in 2014. Yeah, 2014. A song called My African Swag. It did the rounds on what you call ZFM, and it topped the. It was in the Bulawayo top 10 charts and stayed there for like 10 weeks. It was a nice song, a hit. It was a hit, yeah.
Wow. 2014 up to now, you will still be making music. What do you say has been driving you to keep making music?
Passion, you see. I believe I have a God-given gift, and all I have to do is just to make sure that people see what I have for them, so that they can,
Great. And talking about that passion, being a young artist, they've expected you to be doing like music that is not even connected to tradition, but you chose to still do hip hop, but you brought in the Mbira instrument into your music. Why do you think? Why did you find it necessary to do that?
It's all because of we do hip hop. Hip hop is a black art, right? We do hip hop, and most like your youth, the youths that are trying to dive into this type of genre. influenced mostly by your American artists, you see. So I don't think, yes, it might be relevant to someone, but I myself think bringing in the Mbira into the hip hop sound, it gives you like identity, you see. Like if I say Mbira Dze Hip Hop, quickly you know Mbira, where Mbira comes from. Yes, where it's coming from. It comes from Zimbabwe. Yes. That's a famous traditional instrument when it comes to traditional music. So there and there you'll be like, okay, Mbira Dze Hip Hop, that's Zimbabwe, you see. So yeah, that's where the concept comes from. Basically, Mbira Dze Hip Hop is something new that has been birthed in the land of Zimbabwe. Yeah.
And where do you hope to take this music to? Where are you heading with this sound?
Yeah, my sound. I'm hoping that I'm hoping to influence like the upcoming artists to dive into the sound, because I myself, I would like to know where you come from, your culture, your background. You see, most of artists that are coming in the industry and nowadays are wearing masks. We don't know where they come from. You know, they want to be your Kendrick Lamars, they want to be your J. Cole's. We want to know Sigauke, where do you come from? You see, that's what I would like for the world to see, where we come from, who we are, our backgrounds and stuff. Yeah, I want to take this sound to the world. Yes.
Great. And talking about taking the sound to the world, do you feel Zimbabwean music is going that direction?
Hip hop wise, I think yes, it is in direction. Hip hop wise, I do think, because I wouldn't say Ana Jazz, because Ana Jazz, they've been out there. Ana Jazz, Ana Afro pop, they've been out there. But hip hop wise, yes, I do think it's going that direction. Yeah.
Wow, great. And the response so far to Pyre Up, it's a beautiful video. I like it. How has been the response so far?
The response has been has been good. Has been good. Yeah, I didn't when I did the song. Actually, I was supposed to shoot for another song. I prepared for another song, but then COVID happened, uh, and then I had to change, and I had to do because is this other song that I planned to do. So yeah,
Okay,
with
great.
all the COVID situation, I then the song Bible. Yeah.
Great, great. And in terms of you getting your music out, are you finding it easy, distribution-wise, getting your music, especially to Zimbabwe?
Man, we're living in the era of social media, so that's my tool right there.
Yeah.
I have to use social media. You see, yeah, that's the tool. And yeah, I've been getting help here and there, but yeah, social media is just the tools. Since I'm here in Durban, I have to use social media for marketing purposes.
Great. 5 years from now, where do we see Mbira Dze Hip Hop?
Dze Hip Hop, 5 years from now, Mbira Dze Hip Hop will be a brand. Yeah, I'm getting into like your merchandise. Yeah, we have T-shirts, Mbira Dze Hip Hop T-shirts coming out soon. Yes, we have. I want to recruit more artists who are also into this cultural music background. Yes, I want to recruit so that it becomes a movement, a Mbira Dze Hip Hop movement. So that we inspire youths to dive into the sound more, so that we have identity, Zimbabwean hip hop, African hip hop. Yeah.
Great.
See,
Anybody wants to
yeah.
connect with you, wants to get in touch with you, or follow your music, stream it, download, listen, where do they get in touch?
Okay, you can follow my Twitter account. It's Neville_Sigauke. My Instagram is also Neville_Sigauke. And my Facebook, it's Neville Changa Sigauke, short for Changamire. You can also verify and your Tidal and Amazon as well. At
Great.
Neville.
Great.
Okay, yes.
Wow, thank you so much for your time. I know you're a busy man as well, and it's been awesome. It's been great.
Yes,
We
yes,
definitely
yes,
stay in
yes,
touch
yes.
with you and keep tracking what you're doing. I must say that the route that you've taken, this is an uncharted territory. A lot of people fear going that route because they always want to copy what's coming from elsewhere. But you've decided to create a very unique sound, and I'm saying to you, continue doing that. That's awesome, and I hope more young artists will learn from what you're doing.
Okay, thank you very much. It's yes, I do hear what you're saying that most people do fear. It's because of I don't know, our society. When you say I want to do this Mbira thing, our society tends to you see. So yeah, it's because of our background, where we're coming from, you see. So yeah, sometimes Mawan, you see, I have people who say, Shomari, skip our music, yeah, because there's a masha, you know, somewhere China and stuff. But I don't think that's the way, because it's who we are, it's where we come from at the end of the day. Yes. And thank you for the platform anyway. Yeah.
Great.
Thank you
It's
for the platform.
where we're coming from, and stay true, stay grounded to your roots, stay grounded to ear ground. Until next time, thank you everybody who's been watching, supporting ear ground. Subscribe, like, follow ear ground on all social media platforms. My name is Plot Marco, and I've been speaking to Neville Sigauke. Mbira Dze Hip Hop. I'm out. Peace.
Ngano Kena kiki semanari mundani so beats no makanga sinyameri mupani as I rise to the top sezuva mangwanani ndojeke mubani sechibani